Hi, just wanted to go over a few things real quickly on Google Classroom. So this is the main page when you sign in. Then you want to click on the classwork button, and you can make the things bigger and smaller if you click on that. But when you click on an assignment and you need to submit it, you need to turn it in. The best advice I have is to click the view assignment. And then it brings you to this page and you can read the descriptions. Watch this fairy tales presentation is this one. I also attached the presentation if you want to look through it or look back at anything. Then you will need to complete your writing and turn it in. So here it is here. You would click on it. You can type right into this. Each kid gets their own. Then when you're done with it, you could close out of it, or in your tabs, it'll go, the Google Classroom one is there, or you could just click the X and it takes you back here. And then when you're all finished, you want to click on the Turn In button. And then you can go back to, you can always click here and get back to classwork. So that's that one. And then this is a video of characters. So watch the video and then mark as done. So you want to view the assignment. After you watch the video, mark as done so that I know that you're they watched the video. Same with this measuring length presentation. Watch this and then mark as done. Just a way for me to keep track of work that everyone is completing. Something else that you may have seen this week was the blast off rocket ship. Here was the can you blast off, just a quick one. So as activities and assignments are completed, I was filling in with different colors till you get to the top. So I just this was my example one. So if they finished a 30 challenge and then whatever the assignment was, and then I put the percentages of what they earned on that assignment. So the blast off was last week, and I'll be doing something this week. I'm not sure if it'll be the rocket ship again or something else, so you can look back there. Also, I sent an email out, and then there will be a Zoom link for this week. This is last week's one. But remember to continue to check Google Classroom and see what's going on here. And have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks.